Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to an OBS tutorial on how to add your camera how to add your phone camera onto your OBS. If you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, then I'd really appreciate it. And then we're going to come over to this website called Let's View, and then you're just going to download it on your phone and on your computer. And then once you go ahead and open it on your computer and then open it on your phone, you'll be prompted if your phone and your computer are on the same network to connect. And then once you go ahead and connect, you'll see everything from your phone. And then from here, all you need to do is just open up your camera on your phone. And then, you'll be able to see whatever it is that you want to see. And then go into your OBS. And then from here, let's say, we'll add a window capture. We'll go Let's View. Right, so then now we got the Let's View from my phone camera. Hello. All right, anyway. So then we'll go ahead and right click this. Go ahead and press transform, not fit the screen. Transform, edit transform. Crop. And then we'll go ahead and crop the bottom, top and the bottom. Let's go and do this 400 pixels on each. Man, let's do 300 on each. All right. And then now, if I were to transform and then let's flip it and then, flip it vertically because I'm not silly. Okay, let's flip me vertically. And that still didn't work. Okay. And then I just have to adjust my camera to line up. And then, hi. Now I'm using my phone camera in OBS. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to put them down below. Now, you do need the pro version for it to be HD and not be a little, laggy. But that's how you go ahead and do it. If you guys have any questions, thank you.